Good morning, student. So last video we discussed about the magnetic coupled circuits in 4th unit. Now we go for 5th unit, two-port networks. So two-port networks, generally a port is nothing but a terminal which the current may enter or leave the network. That means the parameters of the circuit or parameters of the two-port network may describe the completely its behavior. Generally in port parameters, so two parameters are known parameters, two parameters are unknown parameters. So to find the unknown parameters in terms of known parameters, generally what is meant by port, one port or single port is nothing but a network that has only one pair of terminals is called one port network. That is nothing but here. So in entering current, leaving current, one dash we can term as this is only one port. For one port network, entering current into one terminal is equal to the outgoing current in another terminal. So and main concept is two port network. A network that has two port terminals is known as two port network. Two input terminals and two output terminals. One pair forms the input terminal, another pair forms the output terminal. So input terminal is 1 dash and output terminal is 2 dash. So suppose we can mention voltage current at the input terminals are represented by V1 I1. Voltage current at the output terminal are represented by V2 I2. So like that. So a two port network may describe the complete behavior of the network. So types of two port parameters. So there are mainly four types are there. So first one is impedance parameters or open circuit parameters or Z parameters. Second one is admittance or Y parameters or short circuit parameters. And third one transmission or ABCD parameters. Fourth one hybrid parameters or H parameters. First go for the impedance parameters. The general two port network is represented as like this. So 1 dash is input terminal and 2 dash is the output terminal. Here I1 is the entering, I1 is leaving, I2 is entering, I2 is leaving. So now we have to define the Z parameters. Z parameters is defined as expressing the port voltages V1 V2 in terms of port currents I1 I2. That is nothing but here the known parameters are currents I1 I2 and unknown parameters are voltages V1 V2. So the Z parameters may be expressed as V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. V2 is equal to Z21 I1 Z22 I2. That means unknown parameters is expressed in terms of known parameters with Z parameters. So these 1, 2 equation may be represented in matrix form. V1 V2 is equal to Z11 Z12 Z21 Z22 I1 I2, whereas V is equal to Zi. So V is equal to V1 V2, Z is equal to Z11 Z12 Z21 Z22 and I is equal to I1 I2. Now you have to find out each and every individual parameters is nothing but suppose Z parameters is nothing but suppose I measured Z11, that is nothing but put I2 equal to 0. So secondary side open circuited. Secondary side or 2 dash is open circuited, that is nothing but I2 is 0. Substitute I2 0 in equation 1 and 2 respectively. Z11 is equal to V1 by I1, Z21 is equal to V2 by I2. In similar manner, so 1 dash is open circuited, we are getting 1 dash is open circuit, we are getting Z12 Z22. Like that we have to find out the individual Z parameters Z11 Z22 Z12 Z21. What is the symmetric condition? This is most important for 2 marks. What is the symmetric condition for Z parameters is nothing but Z11 is equal to Z22 and the reciprocity condition is nothing but Z12 equal to Z21. Suppose and next one is short circuit or admittance parameters. The general two port network. So port 1 port 2, port 1 dash, port 2 2 dash. In incoming current I1, outgoing current in port I1 dash, similarly I2 dash, like that. Port voltages, input voltage V1 V2. Now The Y parameters are defined by I mean the currents, port currents are expressed in terms of port voltages. Port currents I1, I2 is expressed in terms of V1, V2. So whereas in Z parameters, V1, V2 is expressed as I1, I2. Now I1, I2 is expressed as V1, V2. Here I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. I2 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. So now these two equations must be represented in matrix form. I1, I2 is equal to Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22, V1, V2. So now we have to find out individual Y parameters is nothing but, first of all, 2 dash is short circuited, and then 1 dash is short circuited. 2 dash is short circuit is nothing but, put V2 equal to 0 in these two equations. We have to find out two parameters, that is Y11, Y21, and if 1 dash is short circuited, put V1 equal to 0, and we also again derived Y12, Y22 individually. So like that we have to determine individual short circuit parameters Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22. Now the symmetric condition for Y parameters is, so Y11 equal to Y22, and the reciprocity for Y parameters is Y12 equal to Y21. Another parameters is transmission parameters or ABCD parameters. Generally, transmission parameters or ABCD parameters are widely used in transmission systems or transmission lines, cables. Therefore, these are all called as transmission parameters also. Power system network, input port is called as sending end and output port is called receiving end. That's why these parameters are also called as ABCD parameters. So the general two-port network is 1 dash, current is I1 and input voltage is V1. Similarly V2, but I2 in reverse mode, that is minus I2. Therefore the ABCD parameters or the transmission parameters are defined by expressing the input parameters, that is nothing but input parameters V1 I1 in terms of output parameters V2 I2, that is V1 is equal to A V2 minus B I2, I1 is equal to C V2 minus D I2. So now it will be expressed in a matrix form. V1 I1 is equal to A B C D V2 minus I2. So now to find out the individual parameters is nothing but, the output terminal, that is output port current 0, that is I2 is 0, is nothing but open circuited, whereas to find out the remaining input parameters is nothing but, this one is short circuit, that is V2 is 0. So suppose put I2 equal to 0, you have to determine A parameter and C parameter. Suppose put V2 equal to 0, determine B parameter and D parameter. And symmetric condition is A equal to D, and reciprocity condition is AD minus BC equal to 1. So these two is very very important for 2 marks, and also competition exam. Symmetric condition A equal to D and reciprocity condition AD minus BC equal to 1, otherwise minus AD plus BC equal to minus 1. So another parameter is H parameters are hybrid parameters. So generally the H parameters are mainly utilized in transistor circuits. So H parameters are defined by expressing the voltage at port 1 dash and current at 2 dash in terms of voltage at port 2 dash and current at 1 dash. Simply say that, so V1 I2 is expressed in terms of V2 I1. Here V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 of V2, I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. To find out the individual parameters, port 2 is short circuited and port 1 is open circuited. Port 2 is short circuit. When port 2 is short circuited, V2 is 0. Then you can determine the H11, H21 parameters individually. Suppose 1 dash is open circuit is nothing but I1 is 0. So at that time H12, H22 parameters are individually determined. Now here also the symmetric and reciprocity condition is symmetric condition is mod h equal to 1, that is equal to h11 h22 minus h12 h21 equal to 1. Otherwise reciprocity condition is h12 equal to minus h21. Like that the main parameters of z parameters, y parameters, ABCD parameters, transmission hybrid parameters. So clearly z parameters are expressed in port voltages in terms of port currents, V1 V2 in terms of I1 I2, whereas in y parameters port currents in terms of port voltages, that is I1 I2 in terms of V1 V2. ABCD parameters are input parameters is expressed in terms of output parameters, that is V1 I1 in terms of V2 I2, whereas coming to the H parameters, so input voltage and output current is expressed in terms of our input current output voltages, that is V1 I2 in terms of I1 V2. Like that we have to determine.